Massage parlour shut up in St. Andrew.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
The St. Andrew Central Police were called to a premises on Dumbarton Avenue in the parish on Saturday night, the 2nd of November, in relation to a case of shooting with intent. Reports from the police's corporate communications unit are that about 11 p.m., a car with 2 men on board drove up onto the compound of a business place that is operated as a massage parlor and alighted with guns in hand. A security guard who was stationed at the gate of the premises reported that on the approach of the men, he ran inside the building. The men reportedly fired several shots, causing customers on the premises to run for cover. At the end of the shooting, no one was injured. Meanwhile, several spent shells and bullet fragments were seen inside and outside of the premises. The police continue to probe the incident.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.